India and Pakistan will battle it out later today at the International Court of Justice, or ICJ, at The Hague in the Netherlands over Pakistan's decision to execute Indian national Kulbhushan Jadhav. India appealed to the International Court last week, challenging a Pakistani military court's decision to hang Jadhav after he was accused of being a spy, a charge India has strongly denied. The ICJ is the UN's principal judicial arm and will be holding a public hearing at the Peace Tribunal at The Hague in the Netherlands. India, represented by senior lawyer Harish Salve, will argue that Pakistan violated the Vienna Convention on Consular Relations by denying India consular access to Jadhav 16 times. India has not approached the International Court on any matter related to Pakistan since 1971. But the government has said it had no choice in this matter since the life of an Indian national is at stake. Pakistan is expected to argue that the International Court of Justice has no jurisdiction in the case of Kulbhushan Jadhav because it's a national security issue for them. On March 29th, Pakistan had sent a declaration to the ICJ spelling out new conditions under which it cannot be dragged to The Hague. That includes all matters related to national security.
Here in The Hague at the International Court of Justice, proceedings will begin with India presenting its oral arguments, followed by Pakistan. India has accused Pakistan of violating the Vienna Convention of Consular Relations in the detention and trial of Kulbhushan Jadhav. In fact, India wants the court specifically to do four things. One is the immediate suspension of his death sentence. It also wants that the sentence of the Pakistani military court should be declared as being in violation of the Vienna Convention as well as of international laws. In fact, India wants the Pakistani court to annul its decision under its domestic laws, failing which it would like the international court to declare this decision as illegal under international laws and also to direct Pakistan to release Mr. Jadhav. For the time being, the International Court of Justice has stayed the execution of Mr. Jadhav, but later on in the day, Pakistan is likely to argue that the court's jurisdiction does not apply to this case as it concerns a matter of national security. We will be bringing you more on this case through the day. In The Hague, Nupur Tiwari for NDTV.